On Mischief the cat, he has not been coughing at all. You have to get rid of the problem causing the cough, which was the perfume. Perfume, very bad for cats. But I had let him out, and chasing mice in dirty places has him with a fungal infection, so it looks like. So it's an ear infection, a fungal infection. So as you can see, so now I've got rid of his cough, but that is the main thing, because that can be very dangerous for a cat to have respiratory problems. So right now I am treating him with this chlorhexidine and Hibby scrub. But I haven't managed to go to the vets yet, but I do need some oral antibiotics, and hopefully he will recover